Rollers, how are y'all doing? I am back I haven't done a load in a minute on YouTube, so sorry y'all, it's shaking a little bit. But your boy is back. He is about to pick up at ATL 6, going to Calhoun, Georgia. When I tell y'all, it is absolutely freezing out here. My lips are literally freezing. So I just got to my truck. I'm about to warm it up for like 20 minutes and do a pre-trip inspection and doing all that good stuff. And then we're gonna go on and pick over the ATL 6, y'all. So roll on. Let me see, make sure my truck is all in good shape first of all, because do I see it? I better see it, the heck. Okay, I think that's where it's at. So I'll see you on the second.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay.
Alright y'all, I am all checked out. Actually 2 minutes before my checkout time, simply because I was recording and all that other stuff for you all. So, but who cares? My drop off is literally not until 4 or 5 o'clock, and it's 4:10. So it's not 4:10, I'm sorry, it's 12:28, and my drop off is not until about 5 o'clock maybe. So I ain't rushing, baby. All right y'all, so it is now 12:50 I think, and I don't have to be at Calhoun until, why am I stuttering? All right y'all, so it is 12:50 and I don't have to be at Calhoun until 5:25 a.m. I'm gonna aim to get there at 4 because I believe that is the time they open, but I just pulled into an off-site parking here by Amazon. I'm just gonna chill out in this truck for a little bit, get a little nap in until I make this 75, 76 mile drive to Calhoun. So I will see y'all on the way.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Right on. I'm all done. As you can see, I left some pallets. I left the pallets on the dock because that's what the USPS people wanted. They wanted me to leave the pallets on the docks, and then the 2 gaylords that I had, the boxes, they wanted to take those in. So that's why I left the pallets on the dock. Specific instructions. But I'm done. So I'll see y'all in the recap video.
My love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the recap video. So this is gonna be really quick. But yeah, so this was a very easy load. Like I said, they like me to leave the pallets on the dock, and then they wanted the gaylords inside, so they will bring the pallets in when they're ready. It's not my business. As long as they say leave it there, and I'm out of there. So I'm gonna be posting the full breakdown of the trip, cost per mile, rate per mile, deadhead, all of that right here. And that's it for this trip, y'all. But I want to thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. Please also comment what you want to see me post about. Any questions, whatever it is, just let me know in the comments. But thank you all so much, and until the next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.